How to use Nelko D810 via Android devices. Download Nelko app on Google Play. Or scan the QR code on the guide card to download. Turn on the Bluetooth. Open Nelko app. Click on Unconnected in the upper right corner. Find D810 and click on Click to connect. Click Pair to connect to the printer. Select the paper type. Select tattoo paper. Click on Materials and you'll see many tattoo patterns. Choose a pattern you like. After editing the pattern, click on the print below. Click on Print when you are done with the settings. You can also choose Document Printing. Click on Open Local File to select the documents you want to print. Turn on the Intelligent Cropping switch. The pattern will be automatically resized. You can use the toolbar to adjust the pattern. Once you have made all the adjustments, click Next Step below to print.